Yeah, man, Laurie and Tina, the whole of you, man, say, I saw the nerves are going to left for you, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The dream said drink one special, but drink one start by the bus. You know what I mean? You see the boys?
Why don't you leave people business alone? Leave people business and mind your own. Why don't you leave people business alone? Leave people business and mind your own. Look how much negativity are going in your life, in your family and in your personal life, and you just itch up in a people business. Why don't you leave people business alone? Leave people business and mind your own. Welcome, Speak My Mind family. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? The Lord is good. The Lord is great. Yes, my family. Yes, my family. A Rasta beat, you know watch it, you know. Rasta beat, you know. Friday it all gone. Just because he's a man, I not too love the every week shaving, because I'm afraid of razor bump. Yeah, man, afraid of razor bump. The barber came, that was something where the barber use and get that clean shave. Them came and use that for me. Because he used it 2 times and I realized it give me a couple bump. And them horrible, man. I hate them. So, no watch it. I just a look at Rasta look. By Friday it gone. You know? Yeah. Anyway, my people, I don't know what to do. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Speak My Mind Entertainment. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button like now. You understand? Why watching over and over repeatedly and you're not subscribing? If you're not a hater, go and subscribe now. Remember, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, and remember the backup channel, lifeisamissiontv. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, go over there and subscribe. All I want to love talk about negativity and if we talk positivity, go over there. So I dare see someone in a comment, because I have a name right down in a book, you know. No phone will love jumping on my comment and talk about happy negativity. You can't talk about, you can't talk about nothing positive. I want to love mix up more than I want to love on yourself. I want to love mix up more than I want to love on your family and picnic them. The way I love mix up sometimes all on a bed not clean out. But I love come talk about, I love mix up, so every child I don't go pan, I just mix up. But when the positivity attack, I don't want to go listen to that. Go over there and go subscribe and listen and comment. I'm not afraid to say, yeah, me and one of them used to come over the main channel, come say, boy, I love mix up, so everything I just mix up. So now see me over here, so yeah, make me identify you. And looking at my book, if me see your name in there, you just a fake it. Alright? Anyway, my people, I can take a little sip of my Pepsi here, because I don't know why them people don't leave people business alone and feed them one. Not even ice factory. 1 week worth of manufacturing of ice can't keep feed them business solid. Them gal will go all about, go to them body. I better wanna drink some Pepsi, probably to make you more sexy. Because the sexiness you not pay for. Something wrong with you know. Because body do, breast do, belly do, and everything have a fault. Down to the tattoo on your leg have fault. Because as I said, the tattoo, if you have one big old sore, the tattoo artist all him against you. People, these people have so much time to invest in social media. And it's all about negativity, nothing positive. All about grudgeful, bad mind, and jealous. We can't stop using that enough. No care what say every day that we get up and say, but every day that we get up and prove. So we have to continue to talk about it. Words going around that Larry the Lizard crack her teeth, false teeth in her mouth where the gum are rotten left the false teeth. Not the gum, natural gum of her mouth, you know. The gum era of the false teeth. The basic part of the false teeth where, you know, the teeth them going out, that are rotten left the false teeth. All that happened, I don't know. I never see that yet. I know false teeth broke up on them sitting there, but I never know say it rotten. So it come like everywhere them go. The professional them trick them, give them all kind of wrongdoings and false this and all kind of material in a right. there's an argument seems to be going around that Lorraine have a bomb for drop. After Lorraine says she have the bomb for drop, the whole of them sit down. Probably have some on a planker to sit down because I first me I hear about it. For hear the bomb because you don't know we want to hear what is what to. So really and truly me know over there to I'll listen to see what I go on and what the bomb is about. It end up that all know the bomb can't drop. So me see the nasty Tgal she upon her life. I engage our supporters. Wanna think when Lorraine have a job and Lorraine have we can't sleep last night. Who just asleep and I woke me one year and I woke me the next year. Who there work? I said, Lord God, Lorraine just have me a run from the people, them work I run from the phone. Just say people mix up. Imagine that they work and you have to sacrifice your work and sacrifice someone who probably a nurse, and sacrifice people's life and attention. One of you give them if you run to phone from back to phone. When you're supposed to give a patient medication. Just the people mix up. You understand? Anyway, like Lorraine must enough finally get her bomb together for drop it. So Lorraine not drop no bomb, so them not see Lorraine, but Lorraine come on her page, come right. Sorry people, I have some form of emergency. Sorry people, I have some form of emergency. I will speak to you later. So them a speculate what happened and what happened. Oh, you know, Lorraine, this is a Tgal now. You know, Lorraine, sometimes she stay, you know. She have it, you know, but she just want to drop on us with surprise. She don't want us sitting down looking out for her. But what happened, you know, I have some pudding to bake tomorrow, you know, and I don't want when I'm baking it, she dropping that bomb and I miss it, you know, because I wouldn't like that, you know. So she want at the front of the line. So she dip on her page, be a speculation. What them think Lorraine a come with? Everybody a come with them different speculation. Some I say, is that the two school fee in up here that is Shanae and Uhraine? Some I say one of the school fee pay but one a fake. Cause basically them all speculate at Jamaica Lorraine come investigate Shanae's borrowing school fee payment. So what me want to know? Lorraine have any money like that? Fear fly go investigate people because she said she fly go England while the me was part of her investigation. You know, when she go investigate say my mother a shoplifter. Why did she fly go somewhere and say she go investigate? So now she fly come to Jamaica. So oh nobody no know say she fly come to Jamaica. Yes, me see one me a stroll through and see she depend. Yes, flying. And I show say she in at the airport for one reels. She never stayed where she a go. But what me I say, where she get money from? Fear fly and she not have it. We know she not have it. So basically she not come to Jamaica, but they are just making up their stories. You understand? Yes, they are just making up their stories. So we just allow them to go ahead with them stories. So anyway, we are going into the speculation and Tgal she with our supporters. Alright? With all kind of speculation. And never stop. As you know, them can't do a live or a video without calling that woman name or getting that woman involved no matter what. Although from start to finish, it was always she. But them go a little deeper down in the video. I will explain to you and dissect. Alright? So I'm going to start it right here. I want to listen keenly, you know, because I say sometimes I might start the video at a certain part and then long after before the real story get in. So listen, this is where it all started. Question started to be asked.
What do you think it is? Like over the fire and we have time and we waste in the night, yeah? What do you guys think it is that she's talking about? Where do you think she's gonna come with? Come on, take a wild guess. Who do you think she's gonna come with? And then me telling her what me think she's gonna come with. In the comment section, write what you think Lorraine is coming with. What type of evidence or whatever it is that she's coming with. What do you think she's coming with? Let me see if we're good. We're gonna stick a bit. We're gonna stick a bit and see where she'll come with. Where she'll come with? Good night, Nicola. In the comment section, only can write what you think Laura come with. Because at the first, Mrs. Social Media so quiet, you know. Lord of mercy with all and the nice and the balling and everything where I go on. I be a balling did I go on and one bag of nice and confusion did I go on for weeks and months. And then all of a sudden today social media just quiet. So me I say hello.
Which day social media ever quiet? Don't tell me the honest truth. Which day social media ever quiet? If them a talk about the black jump all week, all month, and there's a pause on the black jump, there is something else to talk about. So which part of social media quiet? Everybody when me know they on social media on a daily basis is all over social media. Same way. So what you talk about? But Billy case Tgal.
Oh, that's why I'm gonna do the real. This is the real I'm gonna do.
Billy case Tgal.
She's coming with. What do you think she's coming with? One person said that one person said she probably went to Jamaica to investigate the whole University of the West Indies. That could be possible. You know, that could be possible. Anybody else? Anybody else? Thank you, Kendria. Thank you. Anybody else with any assumptions? What do you think Lorraine is coming with?
Well, she's engaging our audience now, to give their opinion of what them think Lorraine, the bomb that Lorraine said she have to drop. Which Lorraine have grenade, she have bomb, she have nuclear, she have, what the next, nukes. Well, nukes are the same nuclear type of business. She have all kind of artillery to drop. 4 years now. And all now, not even the border of the Caribbean Sea of Jamaica can't shake. Because it come like our shell them can't reach far enough. She need to go and one of them other nuclear country there. Go make them improve our nuclear or our bomb them what she have. Because them a bomb what she have over 4 years. Is either them not good, or when she fire them secretly fire, and two them not reaching at the Jamaican water to touch the woman at 99. We don't know say them fire. Because too long now, man.
That's the topic tonight.
People, I want if you realize how long I'm gonna do a video on Lorraine. You see Lorraine? Larry the Lizard. They're lion covetous. But not only lion covetous, they are very confusing. Very, very confusing. That's why I know say sooner or later, them are go mad out. Because if sometimes them can't get to me, so where me even want to look upon them. No, sir. Them nerves soon left them. Them a think too much about one somebody. Them nerves soon gone.
Shelly thinks she's coming with. Shelly think Lorraine is coming with an asylum narrative. Okay, that's fair. An asylum for who? Oh, asylum for Uhraine. You think she's coming with that story? Okay, that's cool too.
Okay, so basically, this supporter is saying, okay, she's coming with a asylum story for Uhraine. That simply means they are going to say Uhraine are going to seek asylum. So what's wrong if Uhraine seek asylum? What's wrong if Uhraine seek asylum? If Uhraine graduated from Northwest College, where him say him nah go, and graduated to do whatever him going there for, him degree, him diploma, him flip puma, him puma, him do puma, and decide to reside in Canada, I easy something so him not to seek asylum. You understand? Remember, Canada want to build them population, And what better way to build their population? To have somebody that they schooled, who is very bright and intelligent, to help build them population. More than go take up random people who just want to come and foreign or just want to seek asylum. So nothing wrong with that.
What else? Michelle Monroe said she thinks she went to Canada and the boy not going to school. So you think she went to Canada to try to figure out some stuff? Okay. So remember now, if you've been...
So no done prove same now go school already. Oh no, so on the proof them now go school already. So why should I go back to Canada? To find out. No, sir. That's what I'm telling you, confusing. The whole bunch of confusing. When you come like when you're there ground, and you see a set of mango upon a tree, and when you look up, you see one ripe one, but you see some more, you see blow out which part of mango there. Me don't want to risk out the stuff with that one mango there, you know. But you look upon the rest and to them sunburn, it confuse you. You tell you say it's a 3-4 of them ripe. And when you pick them, everything else, some of them they may fit at the sunburn them and the color change. Or just the one where you did see were really ripe. So them confuse you. I saw them coming like a bunch of mango on a far out limb. You understand?
Following Lorraine's lie.
When you not drop,
Two of the
them type of mango there, you know, where they pan far out limb, you know. Up in the tree, you know. When them drop, they not use, you know. So it just coming like uno. Yeah, man. You know, coming like a bunch of sunburn mango. When I no use, because they pan a limb where people afraid figure. And when them do drop off, you know, no use at all.
stories that she had issues with was the Shanae story and the Uhraine story. Now, I'm just commentating on it, okay? I don't have any information or anything like that. I'm a spectator just like you guys are. It's nothing like that, okay? So for anybody out there assuming it is nothing like that. However, now there were
You come and clear the ear because you say it in a car, probably nobody ever didn't know. Say Lorraine fly the same Friday that you fly. And it's not like you and Lorraine a gossip like that where you can call and say, oh Lorraine, you there. Nothing like that. You clear the ear. Because you don't want nothing to go bust out and them go say, okay. So you come and clear the ear about. But we can't put nothing past you. You might have go different places yet, but you meet up and have a discussion. So we not put nothing past you. So we are continually see you anyway.
full stories. Yes, girl, we're in full journalistic mode here. You know, we're talking about it. Different Tina tonight. You know, you're getting a different Tina tonight.
So basically, me did hear say you was a semi-journalist or a quarter journalist because you used to interview people, and I say you used to meet the whole of entertainer, they may wreck you out and rev you out like some old Leland Chuck. So you leave a journalistic work where bring an income, where generate an income, where you get paid. If you come sit down on social media for 1,000 star and 5,000 star, oh God, Lord, Velma, thank you for that 5,000 stars, Lord. Like the 5,000 star or $5,000 or $500. You understand? Lord, Velma, thank you. I'm so happy for that 5,000 stars. Like the 5,000 you get in your cashapp or a $5,000 pretty scream. And that you left the journalistic arena for come be a freelance, free for all journalists pan social media. If you even get fired or that work wasn't paying, you don't have some experience, why you never move on to somewhere else? No, but probably, okay. Probably you wasn't qualified, but true, you was, you know, them boy rev out, them use you because they could have exploited you to get entertainers to come in, to do interviews, to promote their radio station. Probably a circle. Now fight it down.
You're getting the E, Tina, the E
So because you don't have the experience, you couldn't move on to another radio station. You have to just move on to social media. Me see. Me work it out.
Okay. Chevy said if she have proof, she may have proof one tuition payment fake and the other one fake too. Oh, you're talking about the tuition payments for, I'm assuming you're referring to the Shanae and the...
So, I think she went to Jamaica and find out that the tuition fee, one fake and the other fake too. So why you gonna say one fake? Like, you know, I say one fake and the other not fake. Why you never just say she went to Jamaica to find out about the tuition fee, and remember, Uhraine one was fake, and then now this one is fake. One bunch of educated dunce.
Rain story, okay.
If you left them something to me.
Alright, Shelly Lowe said, I don't think she cares too much about Shanae. I have a feeling 99 and Uhraine rubbed wrong with that one. And I believe some of these bloggers are playing fool to catch wise. Okay, that's what Shelly said. Shelly believes that a lot. Let me
Love for this, I
rephrase
love,
what
I
I
love
think you're
bomb.
saying,
I
Shelly.
who love me.
Shelly, I think what you're saying is a lot of these bloggers, you may think that they're a part of. There are reasons to believe that they might be a part of everything that's going on to divert the public opinion type of thing. Is that what it is? You think they're playing?
No man, just bring across what you want to say. Don't try to employ anything in your fool followers them head. Them already fool already and led by you. You understand? And this is why I want to come out and cuss about all 99 and led we and she had this and she had that. As we are going to say further, don't come like you try to come. You started to talk about Kevin Smith. We all know who Kevin Smith is, okay? That person who they say was a C leader. Right. And she build a case. And I know exactly where the case was going. You understand? Till she hit the nail and which part she want to hit it. And I can fly back on her because there is no way she will live to see that. You ever see some bang, bang, and the hammer just fly back, chinks off her nail and hit them all of them face? Yeah, I saw the hammer go fly back in your face. So beat the nail all you can. Tgal, you will never see that nail driving at the board. The hammer go fly back and you know with your face. So what you have to do is prepare for that day when the hammer fly back. Continue listening, people.
Or they're a part of the whole script of everything. It's possible they could be a part of the script to divert opinions. You know, it's possible. You know.
Dana don't even know most of these bloggers out there. Dana might never even met them, never even speak to them on the phone, not even as much as a text message on the phone. So, how Dana going to organize and we are going to be a part of the plot and whatsoever. Hey, as I tell you, when you come like, when you worse than the Jamaican police force. Worse.
Because once there's noise over there, and the noise seem like it's going in one direction, these bloggers might be working on behalf of the you know what, to kind of divert everybody.
Call her name.
To create like distraction per se.
Anyhow you describe her, we know she talk.
Okay. Do you think they're getting paid to divert the public opinion or create a distraction? Do you think
you know already say we are get paid?
Do you think these bloggers are a part of this whole scheme per se? What do you think? What do you think, guys?
People, before I go any further, remember people, go support the young entrepreneur, young college student YouTube channel. I pin the link in my description, it's pinned in the comment section. Just hit the link and subscribe to our channel. Give her some support. Help her to reach monetization status and support her business also. She's a young entrepreneur. She make customized mugs, cup, tumblers where you can use hot and cold, properly sealed. You can put your hot cup of coffee into it. And when you lock the top and go so, not a drip come out of it. You can drink your coffee from your mug without pull the cover off. You can pull your cover off to drink your coffee. Your juice, the same thing. It also carry a straw. Right? So, go support her. Necklaces customized, bracelets customized. Anything you want customized in her field, she can do it. Your name, your boyfriend name as a gift, your child name and a tumbler to carry to school. You name it. Your boyfriend football team quest and him name can depend on him mug. So when him against him friend them as a Manchester United or a Man City fan or a Liverpool fan, and him against him friend him can mug with him cup, with him logo, and him name pan it. Even the same color as the club. Yeah, go support her. She also has her website and her Instagram page. Alright, my people, check out our website, check out our Instagram page, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, and remember my backup channel, lifeisammissiontv. Go give it some subscription. It's moving. Yes, it's not like when I could sit and ball tune. Boy, I'm not sooner. Yes, It's gonna take on time at work. You understand? Right now, all it needs is just the watch hours. I have the thousand subscribers already. That's required. I just need the 4,000 watch hours now, which I'm like 1,000, probably about 800 away now. Yeah. So it taking its time to go. It's just that who don't subscribe, I just go over and subscribe, man. And remember, watch the video so I can get the watch hours and hit the thumbs up. The more thumbs up, the more algorithm the video get, so it go out there and attract more viewers. And more viewers, say the watch hours will come faster. Women have to sit down and depend on solely and surely. So hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Give the video the algorithm. Alright? Back to the story now.
Think they're getting paid, they just want to belong. They just want to feel like they're a part of something that's going on.
Nothing wrong, good something we will be a part of. Unlike you, we soon crumble the whole of.
Hey, we gotta sit here and assume.
Because we're going to sit and see the whole of the crumbling.
Put our minds
together. We're going to see Jericho wall over here to stand up tall.
She's keeping us in suspense. Like, nobody knows what she's coming with. Absolutely no one knows what she's coming with.
It's so sad to see her bloom up right now.
I'm here cooking up some quick chicken pieces and veggies and stuff.
Fire food.
Don't watch me, okay?
Food,
I'm here doing like a quick stir-fry knockoff type of thing. Okay, so don't judge me. I'm doing a stir-fry knockoff. Something quick with some white rice. White rice is in the rice cooker. And Shelly said, the leader said she is the chosen one.
Listen right here,
she's the chosen one.
to them educated people.
Really?
Listen.
Listen, she's probably God. I don't know. I don't know. She's probably God. Like, there are billions of people on this planet. And for somebody to think they're the chosen one, that's big. There are people out there who are very noble and they have done great things. Remember, there are billions of people on this planet. And for somebody in Jamaica to say they're the chosen one, that's a big deal. Like, I'm wondering if they're reading a particular type of Bible, that we're not reading. Maybe they're hearing from God differently. Maybe they sleep beside God every day. I don't know. But that's a big label to give oneself. Don't you think? Don't you think that's a big label to give oneself, to say you're the chosen one? Wow. So basically, I'm assuming that individual is saying that God came down and anointed her and made her the chosen one. So of all the billions of people on this planet, nobody else is the chosen one. Nobody else that's noble is the chosen one. Okay, only.
All right, people. As I say, these are educated people. When the woman says she's a chosen one, there is many chosen one. She never means she's the only chosen one of the universe. And there is no time at all. There was that narrative away from you now, where say there is a single chosen one. There is no time at all. There is many chosen one. You have chosen one for different reasons. You have chosen one who can heal people. You have the chosen one where people just choose them for, for just look after people on a left certain level, like how you have, say for instance, a person that just love old people. Anyway, the old people them just find it within them art. To assist with, have to clean them mess, clean them place, see to them alright. That's a chosen one. You have people who chosen to heal people. People who chosen to feed people. So there is so many different ways that people can be chosen. There is no one chosen one. In this universe, there's a lot of chosen one. So if 99 says she's a chosen one because of how she feel within herself and her spirit, and her God that she pray to, and her job that she have been doing, she has seen it so progressive, you understand? And people just take on to what she's doing. Of course she's a chosen one. Who is you to say she are not a chosen one? But on a narrative we want to have for educated people. You understand? You just feel like say from somebody's a chosen one. They are the only chosen one of this universe. Because if you don't listen to what she's talking about, it's like God come down and just chose she and come much thousands and billions of people. There's a lot of chosen one, Tgal. You were a chosen one. But you was a chosen one for the wrong reason. You were a chosen one to be in the dance hall, flirting around, lying around and kicking all about and boxing all about. You understand? You're a chosen one to be in social media, to be a menace in social media, a social media menace. So, oh yes, you're a chosen one. But in what form you're a chosen one? You understand? So everybody can be a chosen one in different form. It's not no one somebody Father God chose. You understand? If so be the case, if you don't want so much disciple, if you don't want so much angel, you understand? But you're not educated, but sometimes, as me say, well, you don't really have no great education, and it's just no twing it one as me say, because you come out and talk about Kevin Smith because him go to Canada and him this and him that and him have him bachelors and him this and him that and him come back to Jamaica for use the people in the rural area because of his twing it one and he can speak his spokey. And the same thing you are doing, you know. But you are doing it to a lower level where you not benefit. Kevin did that benefit. You understand? Although he might take people. You understand what I say? But you are doing it at a lower level. Because through your twingy twangy, you profess to your audience like you're this educated person. And you are not.
One noble person is on this earth, and that's earth. Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, that's crazy. Someone been healed? Was any sick healed? Did anybody rise from the dead? Did Miss Ritchie rise from the dead? Because if you're the chosen one, you should be able to heal the sick and raise the dead. Did any of that occur? Because, you know, I'm just asking if any raising of the dead occurred as the chosen one. Oh God. Oh yes.
You see, it goes back to show you, as me I say, how low-minded them is, how much they think. But sometimes you want to wonder that, put away the education part of it. These people know that, okay, this is a mango leaf. They know it's a mango leaf. But because them not like me, you understand? Them not have nothing to do with me, and me associate with this mango tree right here, them are going to tell people, say, no, it's an apple leaf. It's an apple leaf. You understand? That's simply what they're doing. But they don't realize in doing so, them playing a fool to the wider public. You understand? They're making themselves be a fool, a idiot, a jackass, and everything you can think of to the wider public who have sense. Because you're going to come tell me, say, this is an apple leaf. And see there? This is a mango leaf. And you is going to come and tell me publicly on a public platform where me can see say it's a mango leaf, say this is an apple leaf, and I am to believe you. And deep down, it's not like you're showing me, like you're trying to use this as an example. It's no example. You're trying to tell me, beat it in my head, say it's an apple leaf, when we're all seeing it's a mango leaf. You understand? And that's what you are. So sometimes I just think, say, I know education. It's just that we do everything one can to bring down me because me associate with the mango tree. Simple. I want him to know, you know. I want him to know, I don't know nothing else, you know. Someone I know, I got have a nervous breakdown on the phone. One of them day on the on live. You know, I was there talk and a talk and a talk, and the brain just crumble upon you and send shock wave to the heart. Me nah wish no deep on you know. But when me want to see, me nah wish no deep on you. But me just want it me know it happen one day. If I tomorrow me don't know, if I next week me don't know, but it's going to happen if you don't continue like this. Because the reason why it happen, you know, you see, when the behavior you have, I want to expect, when you not go see it. And because when you not see it, it's like when the blood start boil, hotter, 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 hotter. And when the blood I go just overheat. And when the blood overheat, it I go send shock wave to the brain cells. And then on the brain I go get a hit. And then on the brain get a hit, on the heart I go get a hit. How now just on the phone, the like this. I want to talk and can't talk. At the end, start of that video, you probably put a person in we have the same system like Uno, but them never that behave like Uno. It wasn't just something normal happen to him. Yeah, man. Uno too dangerous in a phone, man.
Okay, somebody calling themselves the chosen one. It's a huge responsibility. So I'm expecting them to be performing miracles on this planet. I'm expecting them.
All heap of miracles.
Y'all heard a story about Kevin Samuels, right? Listen, Kevin Samuels.
As me say, you just figure more or less because heal the sick, you're not the chosen one, or you can't work miracle. Because you feel like there's a miracle stop. Healing the sick, raising the. You understand? A man have one foot, you give him back a next foot. A man cripple, you rub him foot with olive oil and it come back a miracle. That's why you're the chosen one. The chosen one come in all different form. Listener, compare now. And look how she get at the whole Kevin Smith saga. Although she mix up the name about Samuels, but a Kevin Smith. We don't all know who was Kevin Smith. The man down a country where them say the seaman, where them did a transport to court, and you know what happened. Alright. Continue to listen. Why the world? We don't understand? Just listen.
I'm doing some chicken pieces. Some.
Nobody know what
But Kevin Samuels.
Smith, not Samuel. She mix up the name.
He was born somewhere in Jamaica. I can't remember what parish. I can't remember if it's Manchester or one of them parishes there. But he migrated
on the right time. Video come to him.
Well-educated man. Or Kevin Smith? Yeah, thank you. So he migrated to Canada to further his education. He pretty much he grew up in Canada in his
me I cut out right there, sir, but me just want to hear like a start here. Who shall compare that
and he furthered his education in Canada. I think he ended up getting like he got a bachelorette in Canada, and if I'm not wrong, he went on to a PhD in Canada. And then, based on what I heard that once he graduated and got his bachelor's and was going into his PhD or whatever, or his master's, he just started acting real weird. Okay?
And with this story, people all in our comment upon okay, so that's why Uhraine got Canada. So they are saying this is the reason why Uhraine got Canada, because he's going to align himself with that type of situation there. And you don't know from Uhraine I come from, you understand? Because them done say she had this already. Yeah. But them go at them smart, but we are smarter than them. Dunce, but smarter than them. Listen now. Listen now, yes, sir. So I insert AD, but you slowly do it. Listen.
Religious people and see what they have in common. You see what happened a few days ago with a particular individual just bugging out and messing up his entire place, throwing. This
is Andrea Stevens she talk about, You see what happened recently with this particular individual who is just bugging out and messing up his places, because she are trying to say all these people who post this holy pack Jesus, this and Bible, this and go on, they are religious and they are like Kevin Smith. And you know what them say Kevin Smith is? So she finally get at her point, inserting the lady down here also. But she take her time. Listen slowly.
All over the place and going into this trance and all this bullshit. What do you notice about that person? Religious. You understand what I'm saying? What if I told you that when I looked at that? All right? What if I told you that I was just scrolling? I was on the flight back, right, to New York, and I was just scrolling. Later on, when I was able to get Wi-Fi and all of that, that I realized, yeah, he did do it himself. That I wasn't wrong. You understand me? It's not that type of food, Icon. It's not. Okay? Look around on the internet and these people who post a lot about being pastors and about God and their drawing for the Bible. Now, if you're a Christian, you're a Christian. But you have a few of them who have a large following, you know? They have a large following and they preach about Christ all along, and something ain't right upstairs. Y'all don't realize that something ain't right with them upstairs? Something ain't right upstairs with them. Something ain't even right upstairs with that individual down there. The person who's the topic tonight. Yeah, something ain't right with her. I've been telling y'all that. I've been telling y'all that. Didn't I tell y'all that? That something ain't right? Didn't I tell you? I did tell y'all. And some of y'all are talking about, oh, you jealous.
See me tell you, she never dare go stop till she insert her. Haven't I tell you that something ain't right with her? That lady down there? Yeah. What you seen wrong with her? Something wrong with you. Okay, if you get up, sit down every day upon phone and call somebody name and I look at you. Somebody when I'm not interested in you, are you something wrong with? You try to sit and plot with everybody who is saying negativity about the woman. You try to bring down everybody who is in our circle and around our surrounding. Who something wrong with? No must you. When the woman now look upon you. Anyway, people, I'm going to close off the video like this, so just listen to this little last part.
YouTube was quiet today. Everybody quiet. Listen, everybody back here got twip. I say, at the first, I say people act like fool on them live, you see? When me look, people act like fool, like them don't know them hand from them foot. People want to laugh, and them can't laugh. People want to smile.
So if you stop Donna from laugh, what if you stop her from smile?
Stop there.
People, as I say, I come to the end of the video, because I don't know if you stop Donna from laugh or smile. But just continue to do the do. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and watch the ads. Remember, go over to the backup channel and give it a subscription. Life is a Mission TV, family-oriented channel. You understand? You can't take the passa and the mix up sometime. Just go over there, go relax, watch a cook vlog. If you want to cook something, I want to cook something out of the box, check the cook vlog them in the channel. Even this main channel, if you go from way back, you can see a lot of stuff you can try in your kitchen. Okay? Yes. And just remember, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, you ask for it, I give it to you. The cash app is pinned in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. I'm not going to go all over it again, but as I say, I'm not going to come back. As I tell you, I'm going to just remind you on each video that all you people from February come down early, late January, that is asking for something like this. It is there now. So let us see what you're doing. I already told you in previous video what that money will go towards. Yes, if I use my $10,000 bag of grocery each month for one somebody that is in needy position, whether young, old, fit, or whatsoever, once they're in a needy position. Alright? Because people do fall on them face at times. So it no matter if you're old or you're young. But we have to find out so you're needy. And remember, the Young Entrepreneur channel, Life with Gabby and Chev, college student, give her a subscription on our YouTube channel. I also have that pin in the comment section. And support our business. You understand? Young Entrepreneur. Check out our website and check out our IG business page. Thanks for watching again. I come to the end of this video. Love you all my real supporters. I love you. I love you. I love your support and I love your comment. Fly Jarrett. I saw it go. Big up yourself, my general. You understand? Just big up yourself. And all of my supporters, them when hear on the name I go call one day. Can't call everybody one time. Someone will get on the name call repeatedly because sometimes I don't remember if I big you up already. But just big up everybody. Alright? Big up Fly in England.